Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code on Scheels. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into this video. Alright, I'm going to open up a web browser on my laptop and head on over to scheels.com. And now for this demonstration, I'm just going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to look at some athletic shoes for men. So I'm going to have a scroll down and I'm going to pick out these men's Adidas Ultra Boost 1 shoes. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pick my size. I just want to get this added to my cart. So I'm going to click on add to cart. Color and size must be selected. Alright, so I'm going to click that. Now I'm going to click add to cart. And now you can see there's one product in my cart. So I'm going to click on go to cart. And now you can check out your cart. Then from here, you want to scroll down and click on checkout. I might have to log in. Yep. I'm going to quickly create an account here. Oh, this doesn't matter anyway. So what you want to do is just put in your shipping details, and then you want to click on continue to payment. And on the next page, look for something that says enter promo code or enter discount code, and then put in your discount code or promo code, and whatever that amounts to will get deducted off your total order. Then continue on with your purchase and enjoy your savings.